Hi friends, my name is Dr.Bharath. Today's video is 200 people duped in Karnataka by mobile app in the name of Trump. Over 200 people across Karnataka have filed complaints with cybercrime authorities after being swindled out of nearly rupees 2 crores through a fake mobile app named Trump Hotel Rental, which exploited AI generated visuals of US President Donald Trump to lure innocent investors. According to multiple police reports and victims, the Trump app promised massive short-term returns, in some cases over 100% returns, under the guise of a high-profile hotel rental and investment platform. The app is said to have duped over 800 people in various districts in Karnataka. The app operated on a pyramid-like model, initially collecting small registration fees of around 1,500 and paying out rupees 500 to gain the user's trust. By offering small returns, they gain the user's confidence. Then they promise higher returns at the next level and coax users into investing more and finally disappear after some weeks or months. The scam extended beyond just investment returns. Victims were also offered fake work from home assignments such as writing company profiles. Investigators are now analyzing the case and tracing the fraudsters. Authorities warn that similar scams could reappear under different guises. No arrests have been made yet and the probe is ongoing across multiple locations. Topic number 2. Jio BlackRock Asset Management, which is a 50-50 joint venture between Jio Financial Services and BlackRock, has announced the receipt of regulatory approval from SEBI to commence operations as an investment manager for the mutual fund business in India. The joint venture was first announced on July 26, 2023. October 4th, 2024, SEBI granted in-principle approval for the mutual fund business to start and now they have got complete approval. Jio Financial Services, being a part of the Reliance Group, has high scope to distribute its mutual funds across the country. Sid Swaminathan is the managing director and CEO of the company. He has more than 20 years of asset management experience. He was previously head of International Index Equity, where he was responsible for an AUM of 106 lakh crore. Topic number 3. Defense stocks have been doing extremely well in the last 1 month due to conflict with Pakistan and also the announcement by PM Modi that the government will continue to focus on made in India defense equipment. Today also the rally in defense stocks continued because the government approved the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft Program Execution Model. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh approved a framework for building the country's most advanced stealth fighter jet, also called 5th generation fighter jet. India will partner with domestic firms for stealth fighter program and companies can bid independently or as a joint venture. The bids will be open for both private and public companies or public sector companies. The project is crucial for the Indian Air Force, whose squadron size has fallen to 31 from an approved strength of 42 at a time when rival China is expanding its air force rapidly. Each squadron usually has around 18 to 20 aircrafts and if you can see there are about 11 squadrons less. Squadrons in the sense it's a group of aircrafts. So 11 squadrons into around 18-20 aircrafts is around 200 aircraft shortage. Pakistan has one of China's most advanced warplanes, the J-10, in its arsenal. Investor sentiment toward defense stocks has remained strong due to expectation of increased government spending in the sector amid rising tensions with Pakistan. March quarter earnings from defense companies have largely been as per analyst forecasts. If you like this video, please click the like button and please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button and bell icon. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.